Howard Garrett, the Dirt Doctor here with some advice on healthy living. I use baking soda about every day to clean my mouth, teeth, brushes, and appliances and so forth. I think the use of baking soda is one of the reasons I don't get colds and have never had the flu. Natural baking soda is part of the natural mineral natron. Natron contains large amounts of sodium bicarbonate. Civilizations for years have used various forms of baking soda in making breads and other foods requiring rising. In 1846, it was put on sale. In the 1860s, baking soda appeared in cookbooks. In the 1930s, it was advertised as a proven medical agent. In 1972, someone thought up the idea of keeping a box of baking soda in the fridge to keep the food fresh and control odors. In 1988, I started using baking soda at 4 teaspoons or 1 rounded tablespoon per gallon of water for a spray to control fungal diseases on plants, and it worked. Later, it was tried at a half a cup per gallon to control ball moss in trees, and it worked. And now there are many more uses for this wonderful product. You'll find it in the library on the website, dirtdoctor.com. See you right here for our next Healthy Living commentary. For all your gardening, landscaping, and pest control questions in the meantime, or to join the Organic Club of America, go to dirtdoctor.com or our Facebook page for help. Go organic and enjoy your healthy gardens.